Hey, what's up? This is Josh Snyder with Snyder Pro Flips, Tips, and Tricks, and today we're going to be discussing, and I'm going to give you some details very quickly on how you can start your own carpet cleaning business for $500 or less. Stay tuned.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Feel it dropping here. What we do when you run away from.
Alrighty, so just to jump right in and to keep it quick and to the point, just to not waste your time or my time, we'll just kick it right off here. This is something that I've been doing for some years now, carpet cleaning that is, and it's fairly simple to learn. It's fairly simple to get started, and you just need a few things, including about $500 to get yourself going, at least in the module that I'll be showing today. Now, if you want to learn how to start it for cheaper, check out this video right up above here, and or there might be a link down below the video, and that will explain how you can do so cheaper. But today we're going to focus on how you can basically start your own business, have your own equipment, like purchase and buy all your own equipment, and build a quick clientele for carpet cleaning. So in short, very quickly, I use the Bissell Big Green carpet cleaning machine, and it's served me well for some time now. I'm about to actually clean this very large carpet here in this little auditorium. It's a large carpet for this machine, I guess to say, but it's a small auditorium. Anyway, I'll be also using the Shark Lift Away to vacuum up. It's a fairly inexpensive brand of Shark that is out there available on the market right now. I will leave links below for both of these items, and if you want, you can check those out. The Bissell Big Green currently goes for around $350. Sometimes you can get it for $300, and it can get up to $400. So that's the biggest chunk here that you'll be needing to invest in. But let's just say you find one for $300, and I shouldn't say that that's rare. I found two for $300. My last two that I got for $300. So with the market going up and down and up and down, I'm sure you'll find one for about $300. When you buy one of these, box just fell over. Then you go and you buy yourself a vacuum for this one was like 120, 115, not much at all. So you're in it at about $400, $420, $430. And if you got your own vacuum, that makes it a little cheaper as well. So if you got a solid vacuum, which a lot of people, have a solid vacuum because they vacuum their own home, you can start off with your own vacuum. Now, I'm not going to be telling you how to jump in and how to get your license and insurance and all that kind of stuff in this video. And each state is a little different. So I'm currently in the state of Georgia, and we're just relocated to the area. And so with that being said, I have not gotten to the point where I've gotten my licensing and my insurance to advertise myself as an official business yet. But I'm doing this carpet and some other carpets for some friends for cash. And you can start off like that. And the reason why I would suggest you start off like that is so you can get your feet wet, so you can find out if you like it or not, before jumping into going full-blown, getting business cards and putting yourself out there as much as you can and trying to do it full-time. And if you're gonna do it full-time, I would recommend looking into getting business insurance and your license. Business insurance and your license, two key factors for starting a business and checking the boxes that you need to check for Uncle Sam. But in short, if you buy this Bissell Big Green deep cleaning machine and a simple vacuum, nothing too simple, you want it to actually take care of the dirt that I'm about to take care of, for example, you're all set. And I would recommend one more thing here. Most of the time, the Bissell Big Green comes with some starter solutions, and it comes with a hose that you can use to get stairs and upholstery. If you're buying brand new, it'll come with an upholstery tool and some starter solution. I would recommend checking out if your local store, your local Ace Hardware, or whatever hardware store you go to has the Zep carpet cleaning shampoo. They have a premium version and they have a standard version. Both I would highly recommend. I'm sure there's probably something out there that is better, but here's why I use this. It is like the cheapest on the market, also being quality. You can find cheaper, but you lose a lot of quality, at least from what I've seen so far. I've tried a lot of different brands, including the premium brands. This stuff holds up to those premium brands, the brands that Bissell puts out, the brands that Rug Doctor puts out. Yeah, fill in the blank. A lot of the premium brands that I have tried, some of the name brand high dollar companies, this holds up to those companies. And it is only like $9 for a full, what do we got here? Gallon bottle, for a full gallon bottle. That's a good deal. I'm just gonna say that. And something else that you might want to invest in is a pump sprayer. And you use that to mix some pre-spray solution, to put a little bit of Dawn dish soap in with that, and you go around the whole room and you spray the ground after you vacuum the ground up. You get all the loose dirt from the top up. You go around the carpet, you spray on some of that Zep deep cleaning solution that we just pointed out, a little bit of Dawn dish soap mixed in there, and you put some pressure on that pump, and you spray the entire thing down so that it has a chance to start sitting and setting and to getting to work on some of those stains. And if you got a rougher stain, you spray that thing real good, and you take your foot and you rub that thing in. Not to sound super unprofessional or anything like that, but it works. I've been doing it for years now. I've had jobs where I make $800 plus a day. That is not a daily thing. Let me put that out there. And if you know anything about me, you know that I've got my hands in a little bit of everything. I don't want to just do carpet cleaning, so you won't find me pushing myself to only do carpet cleaning, But if you really want to make a living, to try something new, or just to add a little leg to your business model, consider going and spending a little bit of money on a carpet cleaner like that. It's like the top of the line for this type of carpet cleaner. But I have done work where I have gotten stuff up far better with this machine than with a company that came in and supposedly did a great job. At least my customer, the last job, told me I did so on some stains that she could not get up, and the company she paid to come in to clean up those stains and some other stains could not get those stains up. I pre-sprayed it. I irritated the surface by taking my foot and rubbing in that spray so it could have some time to set down into there. And then I took this machine over it, and if just for good measure, I took the upholstery tool and got up in some of those stains and really pulled them up. It's hard work, but it is a money maker, depending on your area too, I'm sure. But in my area, I grew up in Montana. I made upwards to $800+ a day when I really wanted to put myself out to do some solid carpet cleaning. I made $860 on one job one day. And you can accumulate that much by doing 2 or 3 jobs that are of smaller size, and you just line them up into one single day. And you basically, if you punch a clock, you've basically made an entire paycheck in one single day. I'm not saying this is what you need to do to cut corners or anything like that, because there's some hard work and some overhead you got to consider. Like basically what I just mentioned, $500 or so, sometimes less. If you got your own vacuum, good, use it. Get a little spray thing and buy some solution bottles for $10 at the store. Put yourself out there on Facebook, the local Facebook groups. That's how I did it. I said, hey, I'm not licensed, I'm not insured, but I'm cleaning carpets today. I'd like to see if there's anybody else who'd like it done. And I got a message from 2 or 3 people, and I lined up 2 or 3 different jobs in a single day. And I went out and I made some money, and that was before I bought this. And if you want to see what I did before I bought this to make money and to get my feet wet, check out the next video below. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you try this out, and let me know how it works for you, all right? Consider subscribing and come back again for another Snyder Pro flip tip and trick. See ya.